Wait.
Okay, so we discovered a new way to make farting noises. Okay? Hey, wait. You can either put it in your elbow and do this,
Or your boobs.
Wait, no, Katie, stop. Hold on. Oh, I can't. And you can do it in your armpit like she's doing. Or your boobs like this. Switch straws for a second.
I can't.
Okay, yeah, we're done. Bye! It won't work with that one.
No, I can do this.
Use a bendy straw.
It won't work.
And you put it in some crack area.
Epic fail.
Might be weird with your armpit at first, but
It tickles!
I can't do it with my armpit.
I can't.
Okay, bye!